I built many handheld computers based on Raspberry Pi, like this one, or this one. They all have a same feature. It's all my Raspberry Pi based computer have Raspberry Pi Pico in there as the keyboard controller. But after I learned a lot about the MicroPython and now more familiar with it, so I'm trying to build one retro handheld computer based on a Raspberry Pi Pico. And it's this one. It's very small, and it has a Raspberry Pi Pico W in there. Actually, it's like in this position. Brightness control. Yeah. So this one is a very low power consumption one. It uses a very small battery, but it can last like more than 12 hours, maybe 16 hours. And recently I developed a lot of script for this one. It's based on MicroPython, and it's not running a operating system. It's just running a task scheduler. The scheduler, it's developed by myself, and the code is on the GitHub. I did implemented a lot of common commands, so like top. It can show the CPU usage, RAM usage, and battery. It's not too clear. Battery usage and the background tasks. Great. So it's small and lightweight. Yes. OS, like OS PWD. A lot of common commands like file copy, delete files, and make dir, and other like text editor. It's a small screen, but I did implement a text editor. Like if I cd SD, this is the SD card directory. I have a text point py. Look at it. Test.py. You can see this is the text editor. Cursor is actually here, the cursor. And the string can scroll vertically or horizontally. And this is yeah. And save the code. So I can, yeah, still in the shift mode. Python test.py. Yeah, it can run the Python script, and it also have a Python shell. So and you can run some inline Python code like this. Also can do some calculation. Like this. Like import UOS. UOS. It supports history. Quit. Yeah. Currently, it only have the command line interface. And it supports a lot of command. The command is actually in the root bin directory. That's all the command script. The shell can scroll. You can see those are all the commands I already developed. It's actually all the simple version. It's not complicated as the Linux command, but it can useful in this little handheld, like cd clear, connect, cp, echo, edit, help, if config, learn, ls, make mkdir, pwd, python, read, rename, reset, rm, scan, top, touch. Still in the shift mode. not connected yet. Connect. Yeah, it actually connected the Wi-Fi. Still, I'm not develop any functions based on the Wi-Fi connection. It uses SD card as the storage, and you can use the SD card transfer some code or other text files. And there is one mono audio jack output. Still not develop any function with it. The Type-C port, it can use to charge and also can use to debug the Raspberry Pi Pico code with your computer. This is the power switch, and this is init button for the UPS battery board. Yeah, that's it. And the screen is very small, and the resolution is 128 by 64 pixels. And the keyboard is 50 keys. The key character is actually 3D printed on the white panel. It's hard to see in the camera, but it's there. The keyboard use a shift mode and cap lock mode. So on shift mode, I can type some special characters. On the normal mode, if I in the cap mode, so yeah, that's capital character. This SE key is actually the Raspberry Pi Pico, the boot key. So if you press this key and connect the USB cable to your computer, then you can update the firmware for the Raspberry Pico, like use MicroPython or CircuitPython or other languages. The shell is have history, so you can see what you tapped last time you log in. And that's it. Thanks for watching.